and they poke down in there 3 times. You hit it, and poke down 3 times. So here goes with those. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then when you're ready to go, hit the button twice. They automatically go all the way up. And they just come back down to where you have them set. But that's nice. I mean, them's nice. This is Blue Sky Boat Works Limited Edition 2021. I got it in February, and I've been working the last 2 months getting it rigged up. Got my crate with my rod holders. Got my trolling rod holders there, and then you got your rod holders here that came with the boat. I call it a boat. I don't care. It's a boat. I can't call it a pontoon. I can't catamaran, kayak. I think it's a boat. It's stable. I had it out today for the first time, and it's very stable. If you're in the market for one of these, I got this at Delaware Paddle Sports. Brian down there will take care of you. Just look it up on the internet. And thanks for watching.